Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to class today. Today's class, I'm going to be teaching you how to find a square of three-digit number that has a zero at the middle. I'm going to teach you three methods, so stay tuned and watch to the end. Starting from method 1, the square of 206. To do that, find the square of 6. 6 square is 36, so we write 36. 0 square is 0. Write it in 2 digits. 2 square is 4. Write it in 2 digits. Then 0 times 6 is 0 times 2 0. Write it in 2 digits. 2 times 0 is 0 times 2 0. Write it in 2 digits. 2 times 6 12 times 2 24. Write it in 2 digits. Then we add it together. We have here 3 4 2 4. So this is the answer. All right, I'm going to give you a question to solve so that we'll be sure that you have understood this. In case you did not understand it, I taught it in one of my past videos how to find the square of numbers from 1 to 1000, and this three-digit number and this method was included. So search back in my videos and you will see the video. Make sure you watch it, and as you do that, solve for me 403 square in 3 seconds. As you are solving, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so that whenever I upload any video, you get a notification that I've done that. Also, you can tune into my channel anytime. I promise you always see something new to watch that will add to your knowledge. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Also, drop a message in the comment section. I will always be there to see what you're saying. If you want contribution or correction, I'm open to any correction of any kind. Thank you. All right, by now, you should be done with this. So let's look at the correction. 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Write it in 2 digits. 0 raised to the power 2 is 0. Write it in 2 digits. 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. 0 times 3 is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. Times 2, 0, 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Times 2, 0, 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Times 2, 24. Write 24. So we add them together. What we do, we have 9 0 4 2 6 1. So this is the answer. We are looking at the second method of solving 206 to the power of 2. 6 raised to the power 2, 36. 2 raised to the power 2, 4. Write it in 2 digits. 0 4. 0 raised to the power 2, 0. Write it 0 0. 2 times 6, 12. Times 2, 24. Write it 24. I will add them together. 6 3 4 2 4. We find out that this answer is the same answer that we got before. Another example, we have 3 0 1. We are finding the square using this second method. Just as we did this, 1 square is 1. Write it in 2 digits. 3 square is 9. Write it in 2 digits. 0 9. 0 square 0 0 0. Then 3 times 1 3 times 2 6 0 6 in 2 digits. I will add them together. We have here 1 0 6 0 9, and this is the final answer. All right, by now you should have understood it. So I will drop a question for you to do as a class work. In 3 seconds, find out for me 804 raised to power 2. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so as a reminder. So by now you should be done with this classwork. Let's look at the correction. 804 raised to power 2. Just as we have been doing it, 4 raised to the power 2, 16. 0 raised to the power 2, 0. 8 raised to the power 2, 64. 8 times 4, 32. Times 2, 64. And we'll add them together. 6, 1, 4, 6, 4, 6. So this is the answer to that question. Alright, if you got it, drop yes in the comment section. If you didn't, watch it again. I believe by this time around, you will get it. So the next method, method number 3. We're still looking at 206 raised to the power 2. This is the fastest and the easiest method. Just square your 6. 6 raised to the power 6 is 36. 2 raised to the power 2, 4. 0, 4. 2 times 6, 12. Times 2, 24. And this is the answer. Let's look at this classwork I gave to you. 804 raised to the power 2. 4 raised to the power 2, 16. 8 raised to the power 2, 64. 8 times 4, 32. And times 2, 64. Find out that this answer is the same with this, and it is very easy. I want it to be very clear to you, so I want to take one more example on this third method. If you have a question like 504 raised to the power 2, it's very simple. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 5 times 4, 20. Times 2, 40. And this is the answer. I believe it's interesting. You are going to do one for me now. Find out for me 903 raised to the power 2 in 3 seconds. As you are working, as a reminder, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Leave a message in the comment section. I'll always be there to attend to them. For my parents watching, if you know your child is having difficulties in mathematics, private chat me and we're going to find a solution to it. Thank you. Alright, let's look at it now, the correction. 3 squared is 9. Write it in 2 digits. 9 squared is 81. 9 times 3 is 27. Times 2, 54. So this is the answer. If you got it right, drop yes in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.